Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Temple Run Oz on Android. First, confirm your Android device is running a suitable operating system, such as Android 12 or a similar version. Next, you will need to find the game's official application. Always prioritize trusted app stores to ensure security and proper functionality. Finally, make sure you have at least 200 megabytes of free storage available on your device before proceeding with the download and installation process. Once you have located the game, proceed to download it. If using an APK from outside an app store, enable Install Unknown Apps in your settings temporarily. During installation, the game may request permissions like storage access. Grant these to ensure full functionality. After installation, open the game. It might download additional content, which could be around 150 megabytes, so ensure a stable internet connection for this step. Now, let's dive into gameplay. The core mechanics involve swiping and tilting. Swipe up to jump over fallen trees or gaps and swipe down to slide under low-hanging branches. To navigate turns and collect coins, gently tilt your device left or right. Keep an eye out for power-ups like the shield, which protects you from one hit, or the coin magnet, which attracts coins from a wider radius for about 10 seconds. Practice these moves to improve your high score. Should you encounter any issues, such as the game crashing or freezing, try a few troubleshooting steps. First, go to your device's app settings, find Temple Run Oz and clear its cache. If that doesn't work, you might clear data, but be aware this resets your progress. Also, ensure your Android operating system is up to date for the best compatibility. With these tips, you are ready to enjoy countless hours of running through the magical land of Oz.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.